Welcome back to a Passion for Detailing. Today I have got a review for a product that a half a dozen subscribers have asked for, so I'm doing it for you guys at home, and it is GYEON Q. Hopefully you can see that there. This is an si02 sealant for your paintwork. It's mainly for ceramic coatings, but you can use it as a standalone product. Also, if you're new to the channel, if you hadn't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks, or future videos. Sit back, relax, and let's get at it. So, GYEON Cure is a silica-based sealant. This is going to give you up to a month and a half or 6 weeks protection. It is very, very strong, and what I mean by that is the product itself goes a long way. It's really concentrated, but if you are getting streaking on your black paintwork, I have a white car here, so I don't really struggle with that. But if you've got a black car, you can dilute this 1:1 with demineralized water. You have two options with this. You can either use it on a wet panel or a dry panel. So this is our wet panel here. Just a couple of spritzes on your wet panel. Get your drying towel. And not only are you going to get super hydrophobic properties, but it is going to be super slick. And then just with a dry microfiber towel, that will give you a perfect result. If you want to use this on a dry panel, in your microfiber towel, 2 spritzes . Two spritzes will do a large panel, and then you just buff with your clean dry microfiber towel, and you'll feel how super slick that is. There that weren't too sure about how to use GYEON Cure, that's how to use it. Very, very easy to use, very, very simple. A little goes a long way, and you do get some crazy hydrophobic properties. On a darker colour car, I would recommend diluting it 1:1 with demineralized water. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to show you some hydrophobic properties. So there you have it, a real short video on the GYEON Cure for the viewers that asked for it. As you can see, I actually am already a massive GYEON fan. There's a few tips I would say about this product. If you find that you are getting streaking, do dilute it 50-50. That will make a huge difference, especially on a darker coloured car. Obviously my car's white, so I don't really suffer from any streaking on a white car. It is only going to give you around 6 weeks protection, but for me, that is my maintenance product. So yeah, I'm constantly cleaning my car. As you can see, it's pretty gleaming, and you are going to get some serious gloss with this product. That's one thing I will say. Every time I've used it, doesn't matter the colour of car, the gloss that I get and that candy look paint is amazing. You can use this as a standalone product as well. Obviously, it is designed on top of a ceramic coating that's already there, but you will still get some great gloss as well. But just remember, a little does go a long way. But that was for all you viewers out there that asked for this video. I know it's only short and sweet, but sorry, I've had the man flu for nearly 2 weeks now, so I have struggled quite a bit, so sorry for the lack of content. But if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks, or future videos. I'll leave the link in below for the product. Please bear in mind that any products that are in or any of my videos, they're all affiliate links, and it does help me support the channel because I do buy absolutely everything. I'm not given any products to review. I actually buy them out of my own money. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see a ceramic coating video and how to do your wheels or even exhaust tips, click here and I'll see you in the next one.